Good day po mga bayang karerista. July 25, 2025, Friday at Metro Turf Club. Start time at 5 p.m. Sa mga pala nakabili ng programa para sa Webes na program na daso, huwag niyo itatapon o sisirain. Baka daw gamitin sa Tuesday, July 29 yung lineup na yun. Same program daw sabi ni Boss Relly De Leon. Pero wait pa rin po natin yung official announcement galing MMTCI para sigurado po tayo. Start na po tayo. Race number 1, numero 7, Robotic Lay. Ito para po sa akin. Sosoloyin ko na po to. Kahit bawas ang hinete nito, tingin ko po lamang po dito to. Itong numero 7, Robotic Lay. Last run nito, ang patong nito si JB Bakaykay. Doon kala El Haleo. Ito pamangatlo yan. Ngayon, GL Santiago. Tingin ko, magaling rin naman tong hinete na to. Tingin ko, magagamaya niya rin to. Kung may tatalo rito, yung numero 5, Light from the East. Pero para sa akin, para makatipid kagad sa race number 1 at sana matapat kagad. Itong numero 7, Robotic Lay, para po sa akin, susuluin ko na po to. Pagkatapos nga po pala ng info ko dito sa race number 1, in-upload ko yung last run nito ni Robotic Lay para magkaroon po kayo ng idea. Kung susuluin nyo po, magpo-protection kayo. Saka yung nag-request sa akin ng barriera ni Light from the East, in-upload ko na rin dito para rin magkaroon din kayo ng idea.
They up. El Haleo looking for the lead pine of you. Nobody outside, Natasha down for the inside, security inside. One moving forward now, taking the third spot is Robotic Clay, and down the stretch they go. It is still El Haleo in front by Sam Tulangs, followed by Natasha. And moving up now is security inside now, but the outside in between horses is Final View, but it's still El Haleo. Liz Balang, followed by Final View. Around the outside, security inside, and running in for this Robotic Clay. And as they wheel down the back, it is still El Haleo. Liz Balang, followed by Final View. Around the outside, security inside, Robotic Clay. Next line, Blackjack. Down for the inside now is Baby in Havlut and Natasha. And as they wheel down the back now is El Haleo, still in front by Hapalang Point of View. Around the outside, security inside, Blackjack, Robotic Clay. Then followed by Baby in Havlut, Natasha. While singing a new song, is running in the tail of the field. And inside the last 600 now, El Haleo, hugging on with Hapalang leader. Final View, here comes security inside, Robotic Clay, down for the inside is Blackjack, and as they round the last 3-8-mile pole, El Haleo, Liz Malanka, Final View running in, second moving up now is Blackjack, and Robotic Clay for the outside, security inside. Here comes sing a new song, Baby in Her Blue, and Natasha, final turn now. El Haleo leads by some 5 now. Followed by Final View, Blackjack, Robotic Clay from the outside. But it's still El Haleo by some 6. And nearing the finish line, the third leg of the locally bred stakes race goes to El Haleo.
Our race number 2 is over. The 2025 Philrocom third leg, 3-year-old locally bred stakes race belongs to number 4, El Haleo, beautifully ridden by Patricio Ramos Dilemma. Let's go ahead and watch the instant.
Gates open, they're off. And racing, we've got entry number 4, Giselle's Princess on the far outside, grabs the early lead, and moving up in the middle portion is Light from the east. Hope on the run is racing in third, and Money Money Man is in behind them. Into the backstretch they traveled. We have Giselle's Princess holding on with a dear lead, and here comes Light from the east, who's a very close second. Moving up now once again to take third is Hook on the Run, and Muni Money Man is running at the tail of the field now, leveling up and catching the third position as they move to the last 600. Two runners now fighting it out for the lead. We have Hook on the Run by the rail, racing at the outside. Light from the east, Muni Money Man now in third, and Giselle's Princess now running at the tail of the field as they reach the last bend for home. We have Light from the east now leading the field by a length and a half over Hook on the Run, who shuffle back in second. Muni Money Man is at the inner rail third, and racing on the far outside fourth is Giselle's Princess. And down the stretch they come. We have Light from the east by 3/4 of a length over Hook on the Run, and finally Light from the east, Hook on the Run, Giselle's Princess, and Muni Money Man.
Sa race 2 na po tayo. Pangprimera ko po yung numero 7, Animo Lasal. Ito mababa na sa laban to. Lasaran nito si Migunda to, maganda na rin tinakbo. Bumabalik na ulit yung buti na itong kabayo na to. Sakaling maghabulan si Hanglus o kaya si Live Like an Angel sa unahan, hindi papabor dito sa numero 7, si Animo Lasal. Second choice ko po yung numero 4, Hanglus. Ito naman pag hindi naman hinabol ni Live Like an Angel to at di pinahirapan sa unahan. Tingin ko po malaki po chance na ito makatapos na karera tong numero 4 Hanglus, lalo na't maiksi ang karera. Baka bad track pa sigurado to, Biyernes baka maulan pa din sa Malbar. Para po sa akin, pag bad track to si Hanglus, doble manakbo to eh. Lalo na't walang humabol. Kaya second choice ko to, itong numero 4 Hanglus. Kaya po sa race number 2, pampremera ko po yung numero 7, Animo Lasal. Second choice ko po yung numero 4, Hanglus. Sa race number 3 na po tayo. Numero 6, Tasha. Ito para po sa akin. Sosoloin ko na po ulit to. Lasaran nito sa stake race na scratch lang to eh. Pero may panalo to dapat dun eh. Tapos yung baling lasaran niya kala high maintenance, halos talunin niya na si high maintenance dun sa race na yun. Maganda lang isalida nito at makasabay ka agad. Tingin ko po malaki po chance nito manalo rito. Itong numero sa Tasha. Pagkatapos ng info ko rito sa race number 3, mapapanood nyo yung lasaran nito ni Tasha. Doon kala high maintenance para magkaroon po kayo ng idea kung susuloyin nyo po ba o magpo-protection kayo. Kaya po sa race number 3, itong numero sa Tasha para po sa akin, susuloyin ko na po.
Gates open, they're off and racing. King Alexander jams 40 at the red. Right behind in second is Pay the Line. High Maintenance is running into the alongside is Copperfield. Tasha second last. And trading the group is King of Sipakot. And as they at the backstretch, King Alexander leads by about a length over Pay the Line in second. And coming closer now in third is Copperfield not on the inside. Now very close is High Maintenance. Tasha still in fifth and a long way back to King of Sipakot. And nearing the fourth turn, it is still King Alexander is still there in front. And here's the challenge to the favorite. And that is High Maintenance. Pay the Line is fighting back in third. And comes Copperfield. Tasha and King of Sipakot is still last of all. King Alexander is still a pace setter by about 2 lengths over High Maintenance. Now racing on the outside and down the stretch they come. It's King Alexander is still out in front by about 2 lengths and trying its best now on the outside is High Maintenance. Tasha is on the outside and nearing the finish line, and it's still King Alexander. High Maintenance, Tasha on the outside, and finally it's High Maintenance wins the third race over Tasha. King Alexander, Pay the Line, King of Sipakot, Copperfield last to finish.
And there you have it, racing fans. What an exciting finish that was. Race number 3, crossing the wire first, the favorite, High Maintenance under GL Siago Jr. Crossing the wire first over Tasha, coming from behind.
Sa race number 4 na po tayo. Pampremera ko po yung numero 5, Runaway 10. Ito bigyan na ng importansya na may-ari ito. Tingin ko po dito, malaki po chance na ito manalo rito sa race number 4. Mababa na rin sa laban to. Itong kabayo naman to, pwedeng iuna, pwedeng isunod lang din to eh. Sakaling mabilis ang pacing nila Ginebra rito. Kaya pa-first choice ko po yung numero 5, Runaway 10. Second choice ko po yung numero 6, Veterano. Ito, mababa din naman sa laban to. Pwede rin namang isabay to at isunod. Third choice ko po yung numero 8, Ginebra. Ito naman maganda position niya last to enter. Pag ito, hindi nila hinabol sa unahan at napabayaan nila to, tingin ko po malaki po chance na ito makatapos ng karera tong numero 8, yung Ginebra. Kung may puhunan pa kayo, pwede nyo idagdag yung numero 4 over assuming. Kaya po sa race number 4, pang-primera ko po yung numero 5, Runaway 10. Second choice ko po yung numero 6, Veterano. Third choice ko po yung numero 8, Ginebra. Sa race number 5 na po tayo. Pang-primera ko po yung numero 4, Queen Margot. Ito pag bumenta to at lumayo benta nito, tingin ko po lamang po sa labas ng may-ari ito itong numero 4, Queen Margot. Last run nito, inabot lang ni Baywatch to sa meta. Minadali lang kasi to eh. Inuna kaagad. Second choice ko po, yung pwedeng tumalo kay Queen Margot, yung numero 1, Winning Shot. Ito, malaki po chance na ito manalo dito. Baka pumabor sa kanya sakaling maghabulan sila sa unahan dito. At pilit habulin ni Queen Margot si One for the Road. Baka pumabor dito sa numero 1, si Winning Shot. Kaya po sa race number 5, pang-primera ko po yung numero 4, Queen Margot. Second choice ko po yung numero 1, Winning Shot. Sa race 6 na po tayo. Basa ko po dito sa race number 6. Marami mabibilis katulad nila Glenda's Magic, Lady of Peace, King Hans, Giselle's Princess. Ito mabibilis yan. Kaya first choice ko po yung nakakasabay. At may tulin din yung numero 6, Rule the World. Baka pumabor sa kanya yung laban dito sakaling maghabulan si Glenda's Magic at King Hans. Second choice ko po yung numero 2, One of the Kind. Ito tingin ko lang pwedeng rumimata rito na malakas eh. Itong numero 2, One of the Kind. Third choice ko na rin po yung numero 7, King Hans. Ito, lukayo lang sa peso. Pag ito, nakasabay ka agad kay Glenda's Magic at na-irate naman ni JB Guerra to sa unan, tingin ko po may chance na rin itong manalo rito kahit talo sa peso to. Itong numero 7 si King Hans. Kaya po sa race number 6, pang-primera ko po yung numero 6, Rule the World. Second choice ko po yung numero 2, One of the Kind. Third choice ko po yung numero 7, King Hans. Sa last race na po tayo. Bago nga po pala ako magbigay ng info ko sa last race, makikiusap po ulit sana ako sa inyo na sana po mag-subscribe po kayo sa YouTube channel ko. At pakitap na rin po yung notification bell para updated kayo tuwing mag-upload ako ng mga infos at videos ko. Arnel Racing Tips, maraming salamat po. Sa last race na po tayo. Pang-primera ko po yung numero 2, Sandigan. Second choice ko po yung galing sa panalo rin, yung numero 1, Para sa Masa. Third choice ko po yung numero 7, War Chief. Ulitin ko po pang-primera ko po yung di banderang kabayong numero 2, Sandigan. Second choice ko po yung numero 1, Para sa Masa. Third choice ko po yung numero 7, War Chief. Pagkatapos nga pala ng info ko rito sa last race, yung mga pa-shoutout nyo po. Yun lang po, and good luck and happy racing po mga bayang karerista. Shoutout po kay Kuya Pogi ng General Trias. Shoutout po sa inyo, Sir Pogi. May pa-shoutout po si Jane Loreno. Pinapa-shoutout niya si Bossing John Ray Tarok. Shoutout po sa inyo, Bossing John Ray Tarok. May pabati po si Rodilio Tabernilla. Pinapabati niya sina Dave, Roland, and Danny sa OTB ng Muntinlupa. Shoutout po sa inyo, Sir Dave, Roland, Danny sa OTB ng Muntinlupa. Shoutout po sa inyo. May pa-shoutout po si Edgar Paredes. Pinapa-shoutout niya si Gary Paredes ng Tayuman, Tondo. Shoutout po sa inyo, Sir Gary Paredes ng Tayuman, Tondo, Manila.